Hi friends. Welcome back to your own channel. I hope you have already subscribed my channel. If not, then please do it now, as I am going to start a series of videos where we will be developing a financial dashboard together. Please do not miss any video, and subscribing will help you in getting notifications for all my videos. Also remember, pressing the bell icon is equally important for getting all notifications. Let's move on to my computer screen and see what we intend to make in next coming videos. This financial dashboard is based on sample data and does not belong to any existing company. While using this dashboard, CFO or finance manager can very quickly share required information. In this example, he or she can select any sub-company any year and quarter to share key financial facts. At a glance, CFO can check the ranking of companies also based on their net income, in the form of a funnel chart. You can change the design of your dashboard based on your requirements. It's just a sample. Let's check some financials about Canadian division for different years. We have designed top-line review in the form of a ribbon chart which show how different companies have performed over the years. Although Canadian division has shown some decrease in top line in few years, but still I has maintained the number 1 position in the group. Gross profit sheet shows performance of companies in various ways. 1. A ribbon chart show the movement and ranking. 2. A line chart shows how quarterly gross profits and getting changed. 3. A pie chart show the contribution of each company in total group gross profit, and funnel chart give a quick ranking as a whole. For net income analysis, we have added a decomposition tree which is really very helpful in root cause analysis. The mouse hover tip is also very powerful in Power BI. Here we have planned to show the profit and loss statement as tool tip. You can check the profit by company and year and quarter, and at each level your mouse hover comment is customized and represent profit and loss only for that specific level and company, which saving time of filtering the information. Next, a formal profit and loss statement. Power BI allows you to group GLs and cost centers according to your reporting needs. We can have different financial reporting and management reporting formats in same dashboard. Since all information has one source, hence there will be no differences and no reconciliations required. Same way we can have balance sheet also ready for group and divisions. Next, we will make a overheads variance report where YY-VAR will be explained at GL level. If you will do a mouse hover on any variance amount for any period, it will show top reasons for that variance at GL level that will help you in explaining the reason for variance. You can even review various balance sheet and P&L ratios too. In normal routine, we do this sort of analysis on annual basis and very late after closing the books, but in this case it will be ready at the same time. Again, if you want to learn Power BI from zero with all basic concepts, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification for all my new videos.